Stapley confesses at Suffolk court. Meg asked him to disrupt the Queen's funeral as being banned to Balmoral. Ethan Stapley of Buttercup Drive in Bradwell, Norfolk, was accused of disturbing a remembrance service in Great Yarmouth Minster on September the 18th. Ethan Stapley of Buttercup Drive in Bradwell, Norfolk, was accused of disturbing a remembrance service in Great Yarmouth Minster on September the 18th, the evening before the funeral of Her Majesty the Queen. The service was led by the Bishop of Thetford, the Reverend Alan Winton. According to a source from the court, Ethan Stapley has confessed that he was hired by Meghan to infiltrate here for news and harassment after she was banned by King Charles from approaching to see the dying Queen. It was also alleged that he was led into the service. He walked around the building, made comments about the late Queen. King Charles told Prince Harry not to bring wife Meghan Markle to Balmoral Castle. King Charles reportedly told Prince Harry that it wasn't right for Meghan Markle to come to Balmoral as Queen Elizabeth II was dying. It was pointed out to him that Kate Middleton was not going and that the numbers really should be limited to the very closest family. The source added that Prince Charles, now King Charles, made it very, very clear that Meghan would not be welcome. As Page 6 previously reported, the Duke and Duchess of Sussex were originally planning to travel together to see the Queen. Half an hour later, news broke that Harry would actually be travelling solo. The Queen's death came just days after the Suits alum gave yet another bombshell interview to The Cut, in which she criticised the royal family and claimed that just by existing, she and Harry were upsetting the dynamic of the hierarchy. On Thursday, the BBC's long-standing royal correspondent Nicholas Witchell said on air of Markle she might not be terribly warmly welcomed, to be perfectly candid about it. Tensions were so high and there was no way Meghan could have gone to Balmoral, a highly placed palace insider told the Post. In other news, King Charles and the royal family will reportedly not sue Prince Harry over his claims in bombshell memoir Spare. Attorney Amber Melville Brown claims that the royals may be seething but will not sue. She told Newsweek per IBT it's unlikely that they'll retaliate and instead will retain their silence. The international law firm Withers' lawyer further claimed there's little point in adding to the audience numbers by engaging and prolonging the conversation if Camilla or King Charles were to respond to Prince Harry's revelations in Spare. Earlier, there were reports that King Charles and Camilla could choose to file a defamation lawsuit against Harry for hurtful things the Duke of Sussex shared about them in his memoir and TV interviews, a royal expert believes. According to royal expert Emily Andrews, King Charles and Camilla, who have kept a dignified silence, can push for a legal suit against Prince Harry if they want to.